Welcome to Koh Tao, renowned for its breathtaking beaches and beautiful underwater world. I'm Brian, and today we're looking at the best way to experience this island paradise boat tours. Koh Tao's boat tours offer an unparalleled way to explore its natural beauty. Whether you're seeking a leisurely cruise or an adventurous snorkeling trip, there's something for everyone. Expect to visit iconic spots like Shark Bay, Mango Bay, and Koh Nang Yuan, each revealing a unique glimpse into the vibrant marine life. Koh Tao's marine life is truly captivating. The tropical waters teem with colourful coral reefs and diverse tropical fish, creating unforgettable snorkeling and diving experiences. Every dive or snorkel is a new adventure. Let's explore the best boat tours Koh Tao has to offer. First up, Oxygen Boat Tours. They provide comprehensive snorkeling trips around the island with options for early birds, premium mornings, regular mornings, and afternoons. Their tours include snorkeling gear, lunch, and refreshments, ensuring a fantastic experience. For a personalised touch, Gootime Adventure offers customisable itineraries. Tailor your tour to your interests, whether it's snorkeling, sightseeing, or a mix of both. They even offer luxurious speedboat charters and boat handling courses. Dive Wishes and More specialises in high-end speedboat and yacht tours. Experience Koh Tao in style with private sunset cruises, snorkeling trips and excursions to Angtong Marine Park, all guided by German and English-speaking professionals. Unseen Tours offers unique, off-the-beaten-path experiences. They provide personalised, less crowded tours, including full-day snorkeling and sunset trips, as well as tours to Angtong National Marine Park. We Travel Snorkeling Adventures focuses on fun and engaging snorkeling experiences. Their well-equipped boats feature water slides, diving boards and climbing frames, adding excitement to your marine adventure. Each tour offers distinct characteristics. Some focus on snorkeling and diving, others on sightseeing and relaxation, and some even include kayaking or fishing. Good Time Adventure stands out with their personalised plans, allowing you to tailor your experience with smaller groups. Most tours offer morning and afternoon departures to fit your schedule and all have refreshments on board. Safety is paramount with top-notch equipment and expert guides. When choosing a tour, consider your budget, desired experience and the tour's focus. To prepare for your Koh Tao boat tour, visit during the dry season, March to September, and book in advance. Pack essentials like sunscreen, a hat, sunglasses, and a waterproof camera. Koh Tao's boat tours offer an incredible opportunity to explore the island's natural beauty. Whether you're a snorkeling enthusiast, a diving expert, or simply seeking relaxation, there's a tour for you. Common questions: what to bring? Sunscreen, hat, swimwear. Are kids allowed? Yes, many tours are family friendly. How to stay safe snorkeling? Listen to guides, use provided gear. What marine life will I see? Coral reefs, tropical fish, turtles, reef sharks. How does weather affect tours? It can cause cancellations, so check the forecast. With a little preparation, your Koh Tao boat tour will be an unforgettable adventure. Dive in, explore, and let Koh Tao's wonders amaze you. Like, subscribe, and share for more Tao Top tips. Thanks for watching.